Hi guys, how you doing? It's David here. It's been a long time since I made a video for YouTube. I've been posting shorts recently. It was a bit of fun. Now, something I haven't really spoken about much in my videos, perhaps didn't mention it very often, is that I live in Israel. I didn't grow up here. I moved here as a young man. I have a family here. I have children here. And I live in Israel. And at the moment, as you know, through the press and the social media, Israel and Gaza are going through very, very difficult times at the moment. Now, I don't want to take sides on any of this. It's deep and complex and historical, and terrible, terrible things are happening inside the country at the moment, and inside of Gaza and the West Bank and Lebanon. I'm not going to take sides. But what made me make this video was a guy walked into my workshop, which as you see is empty. Don't have any students today. I had a few brave people that came this morning. For them, it's therapy to get away, to do something completely different for a couple of hours. They were very grateful for that, and I was very grateful for them coming because it does the same for me. But when these people left, another man walked into my workshop and he asked me, could I make him one of these? So you're asking yourselves, well, what on earth is that? Well, this little device, in Israel, modern homes have got built-in bomb shelters. And the door in the bomb shelter, it's made out of steel. And it has a lock that locks in the vertical position, like this. And this device jams in the door frame. It's a little longer than the width of the door frame and sits on this handle so that from outside, someone cannot open the door and get into the bomb shelter. So, of course, I made the guy his thing. And yes, I just wanted you guys to know that, that's the popular project. For anybody with a few tools at home, this is what people are making. If any of you are English speakers in Israel and I can help you make one of these, please call me. My telephone number's on my website. Call me, tell me the size of your door frame, the distance of your handle, and I'll make you one happily. I'm just going to say that in Hebrew for anyone in the country that's watching this in Hebrew. אם יש לכם צורך לדבר כזה, שאתם אפשר לשים במשקוף במעמד ולנעול את הדלת מבפנים, זה לא רעיון שלי, זה רעיון של מישהו אחר חכם. אבל אם אני יכול לבנות לך דבר כזה, בבקשה תתקשר. כמובן אני לא יכול לטייל ולהביא לכם את זה. אני באזור המרכז, בין חדרה ולנתניה. אתם רואים על הוובסייט בדיוק איפה אני. אז אם מישהו צריך ואני יכול לעזור לכם בשמחה ובאהבה. So there you go, guys. It's a short video. I'm just going to show a clip of how to make this. Apparently most of the door frames are 70 centimeters. So I cut this to 72, so it'll jam in there. The distance from the lock to the center of the hole, I don't know. This guy was 8 centimeters. I guess it's pretty standard. אז זה 72 למרכז 8. So there we go. That's what I wanted to show you. I'm trying to think of some things I can do to help people that are at home now in this situation, and maybe some project that they can do with their kids, something that they can do for the good of their soul. And that's all. So take care, be safe, and I will upload some new videos soon. Bye.